Listen, if you're trying to make money online right now, chances are you are getting very overwhelmed. There's drop shipping, crypto, AI, Amazon, Kindle books. But what if I told you the best way and freshest way in order to make $10,000 online doesn't require inventory, doesn't require ads, or even your own product? And guess what? This is the exact same model that I use and have used in order to generate over $500,000 in commission and sales online. In this video, I'm going to break it down step by step. Let's go ahead and jump into it. The easiest model in order to do this is called using digital products along with affiliate marketing. I'm huge on affiliate marketing because I don't have to worry about inventory. I don't have to worry about shipping. I don't have to worry about customer service. And you can sell something one time and get paid over and over again. The best part, you don't even have to create a product. You can promote products that already exist. And you can earn commissions that are out of this world. There's one thing that I promote that brings me $1,000 in my pocket every time I make a sale. You want to know what it is? You got to watch until the end so that I can tell you what it is and how you can get access to $1,000 commissions as well. Just so that you know this is real, I've personally been able to generate over $500 in commissions and sales online. I've been in this for over 10 plus years. Yes, I have a few years experience over you, but that's okay. This is why I'm qualified to tell you all of this stuff that I'm about to drop on you in this video. When I started, I didn't have a big following. I was just experimenting on things. I didn't have any ads. But what I was good at and still am good at is connecting people together. In this case, connecting a seller and a buyer together in order to create a solution for an issue that somebody has been experiencing. So how does this work? First of all, what you need to do is hit that subscribe button in order for things to work. Because then once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a free prize. Haven't figured out what that is yet. But go ahead, join the crew. Every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Step one is pick an high converting offer. I like to promote products that bring me $500 to $1,000 commissions. Personally, I'll settle for $300. That means I'm pretty much promoting high ticket offers, right? $1,000 and up. But these are products that's going to bring forth a transformation in somebody's life, not just another product that's going to sit on a shelf for somebody. Sure, you can promote the small products that bring $12 commissions, $14, $27 commissions. They all work. But me, if I'm going to do the same type of work that brings me the biggest type of credibility and commissions, I'm promoting high ticket offers that give me 50% commission. For me, this is business courses. These are MMR, Master Resell Rights products, which allows you to purchase a program and then they give you a license to sell their course with their name on it. You can slap your name on it. You can package it with anything. But you have to sell it for a certain amount. And in my case, hold on to your hat, guys. This is what I sell. It's called POP, Passion Over Profits. It allows you to learn how to grow an online business and make money from it. And then they give you the rights to resell the course, but you have to charge at least $1,000 minimum. You can make it for any price that you want to, but you have to sell it for at least $1,000. That's what I'm giving you guys the opportunity to jump into with the link down below in the description. Highly recommended, and that has changed my life. There's plenty of other products very similar to that, but this one I definitely believe in because the community is strong and they meet at least 2 to 3 times a week online. You can grow it with any business, any market, and it works, which is why you're seeing me right now. Step number 2, create simple content. On TikTok, I love making these 7-second videos with B-roll, me just sitting down. You can go ahead on my TikTok. You can go ahead and click the link and you'll see the type of cheesy videos that I make, but they drive lots of clicks, lots of eyeballs, which means potential clients. You're watching this video with me right now. That means you are a potential customer as well. You can make videos like how to make money online for the beginners. If you play basketball, you can talk about how you can increase your vertical 5 inches in the next 30 days, right? Whatever you want to create to help people, you are creating simple content in order to drive individuals to your offer, which leads me to the next step, capturing leads. I love to capture leads with landing pages and capture pages. I don't have time to talk about all of that, but you can watch my video on the $1 Million Funnel. Every successful marketer uses some variation of this, and this is part of my 3-step system that I teach my students so that you can take people off of a platform with traffic over to a landing page, and that way you can convert them into a cash buying customer. If you want to see a very quick example, I'm offering a free affiliate marketing starter kit to you. It's a PDF guide. Go ahead and click the link for that down below. You can see everything in action, and you can see my ecosystem in action. As a matter of fact, I give you access not only to this, but the landing page and the resources so that you can copy my business. All you got to do is click and import it within your platform. For me, I use something called System.io. System.io allows me to create landing pages and funnels. And if you go ahead and use my landing page, you will be able to import it in your system. Now, from there, you just promote. Once people get on your landing page and get in your funnel and all this stuff, after you watch my $1 million funnel video, you'll learn how to promote affiliate products. You can promote your own products. You can promote the master resale products, right? Now, $1,000 is no longer the ceiling. $1,000 becomes the foundation, and now you're talking $10,000 and $20,000 months easily. So for me, in order to do all of that, the traffic source for me is YouTube. I love YouTube. You're seeing me here. I love using it. It's the best form in which to build credibility. If you love TikTok and you love Instagram, go ahead and use that. The POP program goes through all of the latest techniques that teaches you the best way to promote your products and yourself and to create the piece of content to drive unlimited traffic to your offers and your funnels. So I just want to be honest with you. This is not a get rich quick video. This is not a push button and it just works. This will take hard work. However, it is a very simple business. You get out what you put in, but you can do it. Being broke is even harder. Okay, so take the action now. So if you're serious, go ahead, grab the Affiliate Marketing Starter Toolkit. If you want $1,000 commissions along with 8 weeks of my free coaching, I will couple that along with it once you click the link down below and you get access to the POP system. All right. Make sure you watch this video next. I've talked about the $1 million funnel, but there's plenty of other things that I want to show you. This is your next step. We'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.